In what we hope proves to be merely a temporary setback, the U.S. Supreme Court has dismissed a suit brought by pro-life physicians attempting to overturn the sale and dispensation of mifepristone, better known as the abortion pill. Had the court ruled in favor of the doctors, a massive number of babies' lives could have been saved. According to the Guttmacher Institute, 60% of all abortions in the United States are now performed at home by women who receive this prescription drug by mail. The court's ruling did not consider the merits of the case on medical grounds or the risks to the lives of those using the pill to terminate their pregnancies. The Reverend James Harden, CEO of Western New York's pro-life CompassCare Pregnancy Centers, points to statistics revealing that 1 in 17 women who use the at-home abortion procedure is treated in an emergency room with sepsis, hemorrhaging, or undiagnosed ectopic pregnancies. No, this unanimous Supreme Court decision was based entirely upon the issue of legal standing. The justices ruled that pro-life plaintiffs had not demonstrated that they had been harmed by the continued sale of mifepristone, and as such, they had no right to bring suit against the Food and Drug Administration. Commenting on the High Court's ruling was Justice Brett Kavanaugh, who wrote, "We recognize that many citizens, including the plaintiff doctors here, have sincere concerns about and objections to others using mifepristone and obtaining abortions. But citizens and doctors do not have standing to sue simply because others are allowed to engage in certain activities, at least without the plaintiffs demonstrating how they would be injured by the government's alleged under-regulation of others. Finding the right plaintiffs with standing to sue the FDA and speeding that case along to the Supreme Court may yet succeed in saving the lives of millions of unborn children. In essence, this issue becomes the next Roe v. Wade request to add to our prayer list." Meanwhile, local efforts to protect human life and care for the mothers of the unborn continues across America, state by state. New York has firmly committed to some of the most liberal abortion rights in America. But Reverend Harden's CompassCare Pregnancy Centers stand as beacons of hope for human life in a very dark place. For over 35 years, CompassCare has been Western New York's trusted source for reproductive health care. To learn more about the many compassionate services offered to every mother and baby visiting our office, visit online at www.compasscare.info.